Walgreens has just opened scheduling for COVID vaccines, starting nationwide on September 6, 2024. I just finished scheduling my appointment for that day. This time is only for adult vaccinations. Appointments for pediatric and toddler patients will be available at a later date. We don't have a definitive time for that yet. As of today, Rite Aid doesn't yet have appointments for COVID vaccination, but CVS has the earliest appointments available starting Wednesday, August 28th. It's important to note that while this is before the official end of the Bridge Access program, which is listed as August 31st, unfortunately that program only covered the 2023-2024 COVID vaccine. It is not going to cover the 2024-2025 COVID vaccine despite falling within the program's end date. This was confirmed by the Washington Post reporter Fenent Narapil, who spoke to the CDC about it. Additionally, the US government is again offering free at-home COVID rapid tests starting in late September. As a reminder, this is the program associated with the USPS, and you can access that by www.covidtests.gov. However, again, that's not available until late September. Additionally, while I was scheduling my Walgreens COVID vaccine, I saw that I might be eligible for no-cost COVID-19 test kits. I filled it out and ordered 8 free COVID test kits by filling out my insurance, so that is a prerequisite. You have to have insurance that qualifies for this. Therefore, it may not work for everybody.